The start and the run goes directly to the capacitor bank. All right, you are welcome, my beautiful followers and my beautiful subscribers. Today I want to show you how to test your AC compressor directly with just a capacitor. To test your AC compressor directly with just a capacitor, now this is what you need to do. You know, in my previous video I showed you how to identify your compressor terminals using a multimeter. That is when your compressor doesn't have the terminal tag, either they start, they run, or they come on. So you use your multimeter to test it to know how you can identify them. Now in this particular video I want to show you how to use a 2-terminal capacitor to test a compressor. If this is your compressor with the 3 terminals as it always come, now let's say this is your common, this is your start, and this is your run. Understand? This is what you have to do when testing your compressor with 2-terminal capacitor. And okay, let's say this is your capacitor. This is your capacitor bank. This is your capacitor bank with 2 terminals. You get it? This is your capacitor bank with 2 terminals. So as I am trying to explain here, this is your capacitor with 2 terminals. You know, capacitor doesn't have polarity. Understand? When you are using capacitor like this, it doesn't have polarity. Any of it works for any. Understand? Works for any of it. So as it stands, this is your voltage source. You brought a wire from somewhere and you have just a live and a neutral. Just a live and a neutral. So this is what you need to do in this case. This is your capacitor, this is your compressor, this is your capacitor, and this is your voltage source. One terminal, which is the start and the run terminal, goes directly to the start and the run terminal goes directly to the capacitor. Are you getting it? The start and the run terminal goes directly to the capacitor. When you have the run terminal to the voltage source and you have the common terminal to the voltage source, with this alone, understand, with this alone, your compressor will be running. Understand? With this alone, your compressor will be running with less effort. That is how it is. Let me re-explain again with just few words for you to get it right. This is a cable coming with your voltage source, which is your live and your neutral. Understand? You have your compressor terminals, which is your common, your start, and your run. The start and the run goes directly to the capacitor bank. Have you seen it? Your start and your run goes directly to your capacitor bank. Your common goes directly to the voltage source. Understand? Your common goes directly to the voltage, irrespective of this, if it is the neutral or the live. But your common goes directly to the voltage source. Are you getting it? And your start, understand, your run also goes to the voltage source. So with this now, you are able to start up this compressor without the tedious wiring from factory. Understand? Without the factory tedious wiring, which may look confusing or ununderstandable. So with this now, I've been able to assist and help you to identify your wiring and how it works in real sense. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned to my channel. As you see this video, view, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. In my next video, I will show you, I will teach you how you can also test a three-phase compressor with a capacitor when you don't have a 3-phase system backing up that compressor. I don't know if you get my point. I will show you how to test a 3-phase capacitor with a compressor, a 3-phase compressor with a capacitor when you don't have a 3-phase wiring system to load on the compressor. Thank you very much. Stay tuned as I keep you updated with more tips. Bye. All right, you are welcome, my beautiful subscribers. This another video for another day. I want to show you how to connect your compressor. I want to show you how to connect your AC compressor with just a capacitor. A direct connection of your AC compressor with just a capacitor. Now, this is a capacitor with two terminals. This is a capacitor with two terminals. In another video, I will show you how to use the 3-terminal capacitor. So this is a capacitor with two terminals. And in your AC compressor, you know, in my previous video, I showed you how to identify your start, your run, and your common from an AC compressor that doesn't actually have that name tag or the sticker to identify all these terminals. I show you how to get it using a multimeter, and now I want to show you how you can directly connect your capacitor to your compressor just for a testing purpose. Now, if this is your common, this is your run, and this is your start terminal. Understand? This is your start terminal. Now, this is how to connect your AC compressor using just a capacitor. A capacitor has two terminals. In capacitor has two terminals. This is the capacitor bank with two terminals. Understand? With two terminals on it. This is what you need to do. If this is a power source, let's say neutral and live, you get it. Now you want to test this particular compressor without going through a tedious connection process. That's what you need to do. The two terminals of this capacitor goes direct to the start and the run of the AC compressor. You get it?